be rude. Alright. That was Noodle Pie. And he always wants to play early in the morning. Alright, go get your ball. Go get your ball. So, where's your ball, buddy? Go get it. Go get it. Hi. It's a bit chilly outside, but it's supposed to be really nice out today. So, here's the ball that we like to play with. Do you want this? Do you want this? Ah, don't kill me. Alright, ready? Oh! It's kind of hard to film him. Drop it. Drop. Oh, so. It's morning time, and we're having fun here, me and my puppy. See him? He's so good. He fetches. He fetches the ball. Yeah. So, I don't even know what I just wanted to say hey, show you my Noodle Pie because he's so precious. One more time. Sit. Noodle, sit. Hold on. I'm really bad at this. Buddy, sit. Shh. Relax. Relax. Say hello. I'm so cute. Isn't he the cutest little thing ever? I love him. All right, we're going to just play some more. I'm the opposite of awake right now. Ah, don't hurt me, dog.